Do a corporate video. That's what my close business associates and friends told me to do. So we looked into it and we saw what other people are doing. And we saw all these videos with these high production qualities. And we decided that to keep it simple, it would just be me, John Wolfendale, talking directly to you about my business, Vida Homes. What you see is what you get. And that's also true of the YouTube channel. So you might want to take a look at that and subscribe. And there you can see videos on how to do it, interviews with our clients about their experience with Vida Homes, interviews with our team, walk around tours of our projects, everything. Now, today, I'm going to talk to you about 4 things in this video. I'm going to talk to you about lifestyle and how that affects the design of your home. I'm going to talk to you about reliability, which is a key company value of ours. I'm going to talk to you about navigating Spain for the international client and how we look after our international clients. And I'm going to talk to you about how to design a villa for comfort and energy efficiency. Okay, so let's get started right away and talk about lifestyle. Everything is a feeling. Now, here's something to think about. Reading a book is a feeling. Having a meal is a feeling. Making some money is a feeling. Buying a car, going on holiday. These are all feelings because when you think about it, as conscious beings, that's all we are. Just a bunch of feelings. So how is your new home going to make you feel? Because that runs to the heart of the design. Is it going to make you feel proud? Is it going to make you feel healthy? Is it going to make you feel connected to your family? Whatever it might be, we need to think about that when we're doing the design. Okay, so let's come back down to ground. What does this mean in practice? It could mean almost anything. We need to understand your vision and make it come real for you, whether it's the art studio, where the light has to be calibrated in a certain kind of way, whether it's the motorcycle repair workshop or the kitchen island at the heart of the house where friends and family come together to prepare a meal together and share the cooking, or maybe it's that shaded spot in front of the sunset or the sunrise. These create different feelings. This runs to the heart of the design. Do what you say you're going to do. You know, it's a really important life skill. I tell my children, and for us, it's a core part of our company culture. You know, designing and building a villa involves hundreds, if not thousands of decisions, and we can expect the unexpected. That's part of our job. We solve problems as they come along. But as far as possible, we anticipate those problems and head them off. We plan. If we say we're going to do something and then we find out later we can't do it, we tell you, we speak with clarity, and we explain ourselves, because reliability is a core part of our company culture. I really think that this is our unique competitive advantage. And the reason is that I'm a foreigner like you, but the difference is that I'm integrated here. I've been here for over 30 years. My wife is Spanish. My family is Spanish. And you know, I am so grateful to Spain. I love Spain. It's given me everything. And I know what it's like. I can see Spain from your perspective, and I can understand the different legal, cultural, and business environment. First of all, I can understand the kind of mistaken assumptions that you might be making coming from a different legal, business, and cultural environment, and I can protect you from those mistaken assumptions. Secondly, I can explain how things work here. I can explain Spain to you, and that's very useful. Thirdly, you know, we only work with people who work to our standards, so I can remove the people risk from the equation for you. And finally, you know, we handle all the bureaucracy and all the compliance. So you don't have to worry about any of that. We handle all of that for you. So that's a little bit about how we help international clients design and build a villa in Spain. Warm in winter, cool in summer, without burning money or fossil fuels. Now, that's what you'll get if you work with us, what you should get if you design and build your own home, and what you might not get if you buy either a commercially developed property or an older property. Now, let me summarize very briefly for you how we achieve that. Basically, we follow the passive house design principles. Now, even if we don't go for the passive house certificate, which is an option, By the way, we still follow the principles, and they are, first of all, super insulation, secondly, careful and thoughtful solar orientation, window placement and shading, fourthly, a mechanical ventilation system and a heat exchanger, and we're going to add to that a renewable energy system, probably a photovoltaic, and a heat pump, which is very efficient. Now, the final passive house design principle is, of course, air tightness. And our approach to that will depend upon where your land is located, because down on the Mediterranean coast, where it's very mild, we might actually want to be sitting outside for most of the year, enjoying the fabulous climate that we've got out here. But inland, it's a little bit different, because it can be very, very hot in the summer and very, very cold in the winter. And that's where you might want to adhere more closely, not only to the passive house design principles, but to the air tightness one. We still want this blended inside-outside space where the two spaces connect together very often. But inland, we might have an airtight seal so that although you still feel connected to the outside because of the design, inside the house, you're warm in winter, cool in summer, without burning money or fossil fuels. So tell me, would you recommend Vida homes?
100%.
Okay.
It's one of those things where, again, finding the right partner who will work with you on all these, full transparency, understanding your vision, being able to translate that to what you want to do, as well as connecting you with all of the other partners. It's been the best choice that we've made.
What was it that made you choose Vida homes to help you with this project?
Reliability, local expertise, English, and you have a range of specialists working with you.
I've done a number of reforms, as they call it in Spain, in London. I've done some townhouses. I've done some, flat refurb. The idea of negotiating contracts, putting big complicated spreadsheets together, super comfortable with those things. But the fact that here in Spain, I'd have to do all that on a project that was 20 times more complicated than anything I'd done before, dealing in a language that I'm not especially comfortable with. And in hindsight, looking at the models that the technical architect actually put together in hindsight, it would have been just a hiding to nothing. It would have been absolutely impossible for me to do, irrespective of the relative expertise that I have. So having you available on hand, basically to cover my back, to make sure that we weren't being ripped off, that the right work was being done by the right people at the right time, was invaluable. Having all of those things just gives me the ability to sleep at night, and I think that obviously you can put a price on it, but it's money well spent.
Working with you guys and the friendliness that we found, and the patience that you had with us as well. A lot of people are very quick to take your money in return for not giving you much, whereas one of the big surprises about you guys is you did a lot of pre-sales that you weren't expecting payment for, and it was literally, we got to the stage where we said, look, I'm feeling embarrassed now, I need to start giving you some money for the effort you're putting in here.